Hi, I'm Jen, welcome to the channel. My nieces saw this recipe on TikTok and asked me to make it for them, so I thought, why not? I don't know who the original author is, so please put it in the comments, and that way I can update the video with their media info. So let's get started. Put your 200 grams of soft unsalted butter and your 250 grams of light brown sugar into a bowl and start creaming them together. You'll know you're done by the lighter colour and fluffier texture. Now add your egg yolks and vanilla extract. Now don't you dare throw away that egg white. If you do, I'll be as disappointed in you as Palpatine was with Vader.
That is why my disappointment with you grows by the second.
Egg whites can be used to make a face mask, a hair mask, pavlovas, and even white scrambled eggs. Just make sure to put them in an airtight container and use it within 2 days. Add your 320 grams of plain flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder into the mix and make a dough. Once your dough is formed, you can then add your chocolate. I saw this bar on sale, so I thought I'd use it instead of the chocolate chips. Cut the chocolate into small chunks and fight the urge to eat it.
Do it.
No, Palpatine.
Do it.
It. Put what chocolate you have left into your dough and start mixing it with your hands. Once it's ready, half your dough and spread it into the container. Remember to go up the sides as well for your filling. Add the hazelnut spread and layer the rest of your chocolate on top. Roll out the last of your dough and add it on top. Don't worry if it falls apart, just smooth it out with a spoon and make sure there's no cracks. Once you're done, put it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 160 Celsius. I'm going to eat it while it's hot with some apple ice cream I made. Right, so how does it taste? Yeah, I think it turned out really well. The recipe is quick, easy to follow, the dough is lovely and soft, and the filling is really sweet. Have fun trying this recipe out yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!